Hey, let's go do the Molson's Coors Brewery tour in Golden, Colorado.
Check out this aerial view of the Coors plant in Golden. This place is huge. It's incredible to see just how big the operation is that's been brewing Colorado's favorite beer for over a century.
Molson Coors is the oldest North American brewery still operating. So their name is
Who owns
all Molson Coors.
Molson Coors? So that those two
Merged in 2005. Became Molson Coors TAP on the market if you want to invest.
There are several stops along the way where you get a taste of the product.
But we brew Miller High Life, Miller Lite, and Miller Genuine Draft here, right here in Golden. So it uses our high country barley and our water. However, it uses different yeast and different hops. And it's also pasteurized. So a little bit different process. Clear bottles are okay for those because they have a different hop.
As we walked through the Coors plant, we were surrounded by all kinds of educational displays, everything from the brewing process to the history behind the brand. Debbie and I have toured distilleries and wineries before, but this was our very first brewery, and seeing how beer comes together on this scale was really cool comparison.
The process is that accordion liquid wine base squeeze it all together with the cooked barley. The liquid falls first. We transfer that to the hops. And then that barley that is dropping down is sent out to the big banquet can out front. And we sell it to dairy farmers. And they feed dairy cattle with it. So we pump a lot of barley. And then they're cleaned up, labeled, lids put on, come down here to packaging, which goes about 25 to a minute in the boxes. This has words on it. I know, like on this. The black and yellow tape, those are just coming in. Holy cow, look at this is the best tour. You mentioned Keystone Lights, and I gave you incorrect information.
Every now and then, one can doesn't make the cut. This little guy got kicked out of the lineup and is taking his solo ride down the conveyor.
Hey, from everybody here at Kelly's Outdoor Adventures, the RV Drifters. Cheers, everybody.